Welcome back to another episode of Tech Innovations Unplugged, where we dive into the latest in technology and try to make sense of it all. Today, we're exploring an incredibly useful tool for web developers and site administrators, a shell script called acme.sh. If you've ever struggled with obtaining and renewing SSL certificates, then this episode is for you. So, let's start from the beginning. Imagine you're setting up a new website. You've got your design, your content, and now you realize you need an SSL certificate to secure it. If you've done this before, you know it can be a bit of a hassle, right? You've got to find a provider, go through all sorts of complex steps, and then try to remember to renew it every so often. Well, what if I told you there's a way to simplify the entire process? Acme.sh is an Acme protocol client written purely in shell, and it's quickly promoting itself as one of the easiest ways to manage your SSL certificates automatically. The coolest part? You don't even need root or sudo access to use it. Isn't that something? Now hold on, if you're thinking, wait, what's the Acme protocol? Don't worry. The Acme protocol allows users to automate the process of verifying domain ownership and obtaining SSL certificates from certificate authorities like Let's Encrypt. It's like having a personal assistant that takes care of all the nitty-gritty details of website security for you. So how does this work with acme.sh? Well, in just 3 minutes, you could be ready to issue your first SSL certificate. Along with compatibility with various shells, including bash, dash, and shish, it's accessible to a wide range of users, no matter their comfort level with command lines. You simply use a command to download and install it, or even clone the project from GitHub. Voila, you're on your way. Let's talk about the different modes you can use. There's webroot mode, standalone mode, and even DNS mode. It's like every flavor of SSL certificate management you could want. If you prefer a minimal setup without working with web servers directly, the standalone mode allows you to issue certificates from port 80 without any extra configurations. And what about scenarios where you want wildcard certificates, or maybe even ECC certificates? acme.sh has got you covered there too. With just some simple commands, you can effortlessly secure multiple subdomains under one certificate, or make the switch to ECC for enhanced security. Now, for all you Docker enthusiasts out there, don't think we forgot about you. Acme.sh is Docker ready. You can integrate it seamlessly into your containerized applications, helping you maintain a secure environment across your services. I think it's safe to say that acme.sh has a ton of features that make it stand out, like automatic renewal notifications via cron jobs and extensive support for various DNS providers. The thought that went into making it so user-friendly and feature-rich is just brilliant. Before we wrap up today, let's chat about maintaining the system. acme.sh is regularly updated, so staying current with the latest features and protocols is essential. Good news, there's an auto upgrade feature, meaning it'll keep itself fresh without you lifting a finger. As we close out this episode, I hope you feel inspired to check out acme.sh for your own SSL certificate management needs. It's a powerful tool that could save you not just time, but also headaches down the line. Thank you for joining us today on Tech Innovations Unplugged. Keep your tech secure and your websites thriving. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our show for more insights. Until next time, happy coding.